How to hide Instagram posts from someone without blocking them. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your Instagram post from someone without blocking them. Now, without further ado, let's get started. So, first thing first, open the Instagram app. Once you have opened the Instagram app, simply tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner. And now tap on the three dash icon on the top right corner. And you will be prompted to settings and activity page. From there, simply scroll down and tap on restricted. And you will be prompted to page where you can restrict the people from seeing your activity. Now simply tap on next. Now here you can search and select the people who you don't want to see your post. So here I can search for anyone and then I can just go ahead and restrict them if I want to. And that's how you can hide your Instagram posts from someone without blocking them. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.